Installing a crossbar. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Insert the rear guide pins on the crossbar into the openings on the sides of the chassis. Push the crossbar down and towards the front of the server to secure it in place. Slightly lift the PCIe riser. Close the kickstands. Push the PCIe riser into the chassis until it is fully seated. Repeat these steps to secure the other two PCIe risers. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.